this challenge starts. Subscribe, like, share, and done. And comment if you have anything to say. This challenge is no jump button. Oh no, we did it. Okay, start. It's gonna be kind of hard. I was like, oh no, huh? Oh man, this is like, I feel like I need some help. Boing. Huh? Oh yeah, that's fake. We will only need one jump if we need help. Yep. It's cheat. Oh man, I hate one of these. I'm just gonna jump after all. It's too hard for this. I feel like I'm gonna go search. Dun 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 dun. No jump button. Don't press the button. Dun 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 dun. Clicking it that hard. There, on that sky. It's fun. Yeah, I'm kind of smart. Can I fall? When do I fall? Put me in the ground. Huh? Oh. Looks like there's already. I hope we fall, right? I want to go down there. I never played it before in my life. I was playing it when I was a noob. I was in core for a long time ago. Well, if you guys are a fan, make sure to subscribe. Guys, if you're a fan, what? Nuh-uh. I'm like, wow, this is so cool. Oh my god, I just saw somebody. Oh my god, I'm gonna take that coin. Come on. Ah! Yeah, I made it. Oh my god, I'm a Superman. Oh my god, a banana gun. Winners. Oh. Fight! Oh, they killed me. Yeah, that lady won. Watch out! What? Wait, what? Oh, that's dangerous. They almost died. I need to save up. Like, oh my god. Yeah, that's a true. On your marks. I'm gonna win. Wait a second. Okay, guys, I'm back. Oh my god, I'm so slow. Boink. Missed with the. Wait, what? Look. Oh. I feel like we're gonna. Oh no, people are fast. Please tell me. This is easy. Oh no. Oh no. I can make it. Yeah. That loser is a big giant loser. This lady right over there. It's jumping like unicorn. She copies me every day. Oh my god, unicorn. Yeah. I'm unicorn, but she's a fake unicorn. She's a super fake unicorn. You didn't know that? She's a fake unicorn, but she calls and she copies like everyone. I'm gonna copy this lady. This boing. 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 Can I have that chest? Right over there. Oh. Boing. Boing. You go to that chest. I'm gonna go for a bigger one. Oh my god. I don't want it to be 11. No thanks. I'm gonna stop then. I can expect to help you on your way. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. This is hard. Man. I feel like I'm a loser. Yeah, I'm a loser. Please don't come to me. I won. Yahoo! The copy came. Oh my god. Give me that watermelon. So don't you. No, I'm gonna click it. Knowledge. Okay, did you hear that? And what the heck? Get to the other side. Space up. Right. Boom! That's super close. Finally! Man, I can buy this. Yum! This is yummy. Not can we watch? Can we? I can just pretend. Boom, boom. I'm gonna cheat. Na 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 na. Ha ha! I'm in the top. I can't fight with me. We both have watermelons. Yum. Yum 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 yum. We both feel. Click it. Click it. Click it. Reach the exit. Doom. It's like, LOL. Finally, one more life and then I'm dead. Boing. What alright? Hey, Mr. Golden, me down on me. I'm gonna my watermelon in there. This is delicious than I thought. Huh? Yeah. Bad weather. God. This is scary. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is so bad. I'll go there instead. Killing people. I'm just gonna watch and sound this. Gonna watch people being dead. Yeah, look at those little hamburgers. This every day. This video is better because of this game. No. I'm struggling. Yeah, I'm a strong girl. That watermelon is too good. Want to taste? Yeah. Here, I'm gonna feed my friend. Wow. Feed the giant noob. Okay, I'll feed you. You want to be in my tummy? Sure. I'll accept. Please play in your mouth. Your mouth is delicious. Bear. He needs some more hamburgers. That giant noob is super hungry. He put it in his mouth for us. Okay. Oh my god. What is that? No. No. Okay. Anyways, the video is ending right now. Like this channel. Subscribe. Like, share, comment, and just enjoy the video. Well, it was kind of funny today, isn't it? Like this. Think fast. For what? I was just collecting coins, dummy. Oh my god. Yeah, wow. I'm gonna take that coin. Watch out. I'm not gonna grab that. No. Oh no, I'm scared. Oh no. Survive. Please don't tell me I'm dead. This is easy peasy lemon squeezy. Well, yeah. Hope you like this video, guys. Make sure to subscribe, like, share, and if you enjoyed everything, please tell me in the comments. Or if you don't know how to type, just like the video if you don't know how to type. That don't know how to type, but if you enjoyed, just like, share, subscribe either. What? Spleef. What in the hell happened? I know this game. Help! This game is Spleef, the Superman. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, no. Wait, no jumps. Oh no, I'm so gone today. Am I? I hope we can lose coins for me. Get ready. Wait up. Fine. Okay. You like, share for the video. Subscribe, like, share. Give it 10 rounds. Yeah. Like, share, comment if you have answers. You didn't subscribe. The metal locks is funny. He gets smells ready to eat. Well, yeah. Bye.